Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Community West Bank mobile app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Community West Bank is a mobile banking app designed to give users easy access to their accounts from anywhere. The app supports checking balances, transferring funds, paying bills, depositing checks remotely, and receiving real-time alerts for account activity. It also features a branch and ATM locator, helping users find nearby banking services quickly. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the clean interface, simple navigation, and fast loading times. Mobile check deposits and transfers are particularly convenient, and real-time notifications help users stay on top of their finances. Many users also enjoy the ability to manage multiple accounts in one place, which is handy for both personal and business banking. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login or syncing issues, and certain advanced features may be limited compared to desktop banking. Additionally, the app's usefulness depends on internet connectivity. Offline access is restricted. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Community West Bank app may be worth using if you're looking for a reliable mobile banking solution that covers most everyday financial tasks. It shines in convenience, account management, and real-time alerts. However, if you rely on more advanced banking features or need robust offline capabilities, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.